It's a Magic Monday, and we've had rain in California, in Northern California, and as you know, a lot of California this year has had the incredible fires. If you remember that very orange day that flames and smoke were over the Bay Area, and fires that lost millions and millions of acres. So today, I just want to take a moment and have you listen to the birds, the rain, the water, the cleansing of water, and welcome you to Delisa's Life Dance, where I speak about health, wellness, positivity. Start the first Monday of the new year with a bit of nature, a bit of silence. As you know, I am in the group with Devi, Jade, called Purifying Your Spirit. I will put the link below. Also, the Chinyakare Ensemble under the direction of Tsitsi, Chigamba. I will put the link below. I also want to welcome you to the Project K Oneness event. But let's just listen. This is live, and we are alive and grateful and blessed. That's all I'm going to put for today. It's starting to rain. More blessings raining down. Let you see the little creek, little star, the little Zuri enjoying nature. So there we have it on Delisa's Life Dance. Like, subscribe, share. A Magic Monday, vlogging with Zuri and Star, and enjoying nature on the first Monday of the year. Almost a 360. Ciao, ciao.